Hello, everybody. We are the members of Williams Wordsworth Group from Class 7B. We are here to explain you the third, fourth, fifth, sixth paras of the poem The Rebel by D.J. Enright. So, these are the names of the members of Williams Wordsworth Group from roll number 1 to 10, and leader is Falguni Ghoshal. He is DJ Enright. It is a short bio sketch of Dennis Joseph Enright, means DJ Enright. And this is something about the poem Rebel. So the third para of the poem will be explained by one of our a member of the group named Adrija, and this drawing is made by Aninda Roy.
Written by DJ Enright. So the third part of the poem is, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. Means whenever the rebel means we know what is the meaning of rebel, that a person who does all the opposite things what his surroundings where his surroundings going on, means whatever in surroundings going on he does the opposite. So the so he's saying when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say what means, and everybody is talking or asking questions or giving answers to ma'am or interacting with a teacher. He is not saying a word at all. Means he is just very good student and he's keeping quiet and sitting.
Now the fourth para will be explained by one of our member named Anik Ghosh. And this drawing is made by Ayush Pramanik.
Nobody talks during the lesson. The rebel creates a disturbance. Here it is told that when everybody keep quiet during the class or the lesson, and the rebel creates a shouting, creates a disturbance. As we know that the rebel do opposite of all what we do.
Now the fifth para will be explained by our leader Falguni Ghoshal. And this drawing is made by Anushka Majumdar. So the stanza is telling that when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. Here, the poet means to say that when a common people wear a uniform, the rebel represents himself in a colorful and fantastic clothes. He tries to destroy the discipline of the society. So now the sixth para will be explained by one of our member named Aritrapal, and the drawing is done by Anik Ghosh.
My name is Aritra Pal from 7B Satish Chandra Memorial School. Today I am going to explain the sixth stanza of the poem, The Rebel. The rebel is basically someone who always does the opposite of everything. Rebels basically do these kinds of things to lure the attention of people towards them. It is good that we have rebels around us because they are very interesting to watch and they are very amusing. So basically, the rebel wants everybody's attention, but everybody dislikes the rebel or make fun of him because he does not listen to anybody. So the sixth stanza says, when everybody wear fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. This stanza basically means that the rebel dresses in a solemn manner. Solemn manner. Solemn means serious or seriously. So basically, when everybody wear fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses in serious manners. This shows that no matter what happened, the rebel would do the opposite of everything and wants everybody's attention. The rebel always wants to be famous, but eventually he becomes infamous because of his notorious actions. The writer of the poem is DJ Enright. His full name is Dennis Joseph Enright.
Now the conclusion will be told by our leader Falguni Ghoshal. In the last stanza, DJ Enright wrote that it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So, the poet means to say that we are surrounded by rebels. Within rebel, it would be difficult to compare the negative and a positive side of a person, but it is not very good to become a rebel because this type of people are not accepted by the society. So, Williams Wordsworth group think that you all have understood this third, fourth, fifth, sixth paras of this poem. So, thank you. Have a nice day and be safe, be healthy. Thanks for watching.